This is educational content, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. US advice doesn't work here in Europe. Let's fix that. Here's a gap that shouldn't exist. In Germany, only about 1 in 5 people own stocks or funds, per the Deutsches Aktieninstitut. In the US, it's nearly 2 in 3, says Gallup. 20% in Germany versus 62% in the US. Not because Europeans can't invest. Most guides online are built for Americans. The tools you need are already here. Forget Roth IRAs and 401ks. Those don't exist here. In Europe, your two building blocks are simple: a low-cost broker and ETFs. An ETF is a basket. Instead of buying one company and hoping, you buy a single fund holding hundreds of companies at once. Built-in diversification, one click. Europe's most popular starting point is a global ETF tracking the MSCI World Index, from 100 in 2019 to about 196 by late 2025, with a real dip in when the markets fall before they rise. Here's the catch. The MSCI World is about 72% US stocks per MSCI. The S&P 500 is 100% US. Know this before deciding how global you want to be. Where do you buy these? 4 EU brokers you can open from home. Custody fees, 0, across the board. Free savings plans at Trade Republic, Scalable and XTB. The Giro has no automated plan. You'd buy manually each month. You don't need thousands. At Trade Republic and Scalable, an automated monthly plan starts at €1. XTB starts at 15. The barrier to begin is basically gone. You don't need 10 funds. One broad global ETF bought automatically every month is a complete strategy for most beginners. In Germany, gains are taxed around 26% total, but equity ETFs get a 30% exemption. The real rate is closer to 18.5%. Your first €1,000 of gains each year are tax-free. Germany also has the Vorabpauschale, a small yearly advance tax on ETFs your broker handles automatically. For anything tax-specific, talk to a Steuerberater. The biggest beginner mistake? Panic. In 2022, the MSCI World fell about 13% in euros. People who sold locked in the loss. People who kept buying caught the recovery. Here's the whole thing in one breath. Pick a broker you can open from your country, choose one broad, low-cost global ETF, and automate a monthly amount you won't miss, even €1. If this made European investing click, the free newsletter in the description goes deeper every week. This was education, not advice. Always do your own research. I'm the European Investor. See you next time.